Hello everybody, how's your day going? My name is Champion Gaming and today I am doing a video on how I record my videos. Now first thing first is my microphone that I use. Now I use a toner microphone. It's called the, let's go and look up videos. It's called the Toner 3.5 millimeter Professional Condenser Sound Podcast Studio microphone. I will leave a link to my microphone in the description if you would like to check that out. And that's my microphone, so that's how I record my audio. And I also have Turtle Beach headphones. It's the Ear Force Recon. It's like $40, and I got this for pretty nice. It's got a detachable microphone thing, so that's what I use to listen to the stuff. Alright, so now my recording program, it's OBS, Open Broadcasting Software. I will leave a link in the description if you want to go download this for yourself. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what settings I use and how to kind of set it up. So the first things you're going to need is go to Settings after you download it. Go to General. I usually have this stuff. You don't really need to do setting profile. I just did. So notification area icon is off. Minimize the notification area icon or just area is unchecked. Enable cursor over projector is checked. Show log window on OBS launch is a check. And then we go down to encoding. The encoder is times 264. Use CBR is checked after you put the quality balance to 10. All you do is just like go to 10. Let's go to 10 and then click use CBR. There you go. And then enable CBR padding is off. Use custom buffer size is off. Buffer size kilobytes is 0. Max bitrate kilobytes per second is going to be 7500 or 7500. Codec, I use AAC. Bitrate is 128. The channel is stereo, not mono. Go ahead and change that to 128 after you change it to stereo. Then my format is 48 kilohertz. And then you click apply. Then you go down to broadcast settings. Now what you do is usually it's put on live stream, but you go down to file output only, and then you do whatever file path you want, which is it usually auto checks it for you, but if you want to change it, you can go ahead and change it. Click apply, then go down to video. There's only one for me. This is NVIDIA GeForce GT 740. Go ahead and click on that. And then the resolution downscale, I do 1.50. You could do none, but I do 1.50. And then bilinear is the fastest, which is what I use. Frames per second is 60, as YouTube does allow 60 frames per second now. And then base resolution, you can use custom or monitor, whatever you find. So let's go ahead and click apply. Go to audio, desktop audio device. I have this as a default. I have force microphone / auxiliary to mono is unchecked. Show only connected devices. You can leave this checked or unchecked. That's your preference. And my microphone is my Toner 3.5 microphone, which is what I use to record, and that is what I'm using right now. It's only like $15 something like that. That was a sale though, so it might not be there anymore. Anyways, push to talk delay is milliseconds is 100. Desktop boost multiple is 1. Mic aux boost multiple is 2. Mic sync offset milliseconds is 0. Go ahead and click apply after you do all that. And hotkeys, I usually have to start recording is numpad 8. Stop recording is numpad 8 as well. So numpad, if you don't know, it's usually on most keyboards, it's all the way to the right. Like you have like 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, and stuff like that. And then start stream is num 9, stop stream is num 9. All this stuff is your preference. I just have it like this because it's pretty easy. Click apply and then go to advanced. This one you can just copy these settings. I will do a quick run through. Use multi-thread optimizations is checked. Process priority class is high. Scene buffering time milliseconds is 900. Disable encoding when previewing is unchecked. Allow other modifiers on hotkeys is checked. Times 264 CPU preset is super fast. Encoding profile is high. Keyframe interval seconds 0 equals auto is 2. And then everything else I have unchecked except for use mic QPC timestamps, which is checked. And then global audio sync offset milliseconds is 2. Bind to interface is default. Latency tuning factor is 20. If that wasn't enough for you, I'll go ahead and leave this right here for you guys, and I'll let you copy this for a moment. Alright, so after you've copied that, go ahead and click apply and then go down to Quick Sync Encoder. I usually don't use this stuff. so you don't really need to mess with this unless you try and like mess with it yourself. Go to microphone noise gates. This is, I usually have it at 32. I think this is the default. 32 dB for the closed threshold, and the open threshold is 24 dB. Enable noise gate is unchecked. Attack time milliseconds is 25. Hold time milliseconds is 200. Release time milliseconds is 150. Go ahead and click apply after you do all that, and then go to the scene switcher, which I really don't use, but just go ahead and copy this stuff whenever you get down to here. I will just leave it like this. I think this is the default stuff, but still I will leave it like this for you guys. I encourage you to pause the video and check, make sure that this is what it is like. Alright, so after you've done that, go ahead and click OK, and now you will come over to this screen. Alright, so since I'm recording, it looks like this, but usually it won't look like this unless you're recording. So down here it says preview stream. You can go ahead and preview what it will look like. You can go and test everything out. It just won't save. Alright, so then you'll usually start out with just scene, which as you saw, as I clicked it, it just changed to black. And as you can see, I just keep clicking it. But I usually get another one. I just named it Champion Gaming because it's my YouTube channel, and I have game capture, which actually I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Yes, I would like to delete that. And then what you do after you make a scene, basically in order to make a scene, you go ahead and do add scene, do whatever you want. I'm just going to go scene 2, and then it will go down here. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then go back up to this. And now, whenever you go over to the sources, go ahead and right click, and then go to add. And then it go down to monitor capture, and that is how you capture the monitor. However, if you're going to play a game, it is a little bit laggy. So what I recommend is whenever you start doing a game, let's go ahead and go to global sources. As you can see, I've got 3 right there. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck Silvio. I don't know why I have that. But anyways, go ahead and click add, and add game capture. All right, and then whatever name you want, I'm just going to go ahead and do YouTube. Let's go and do that. Let's go and click OK. Alright, so after you do that, go ahead and do this stuff. Select application. Everything should be good, but whenever you select the application, choose whatever. You have to have the game that you want up, like open. But I'm just going to go ahead and use YouTube for Google Chrome. And then go ahead and do stretch image to screen. And that is basically all you have to do. And then click OK. And now that you've got that stuff, go and click OK. Right click add scene, or actually, yeah, add scene, and what you do is you go ahead and type in whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and use YouTube, and then you go on sources. Sorry, let me go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and go into sources. Then what you do is you go over to global source, and then you click on YouTube, and if I go ahead and unclick monitor capture and click on YouTube, as you can see, nothing happens until I open it up. And I think, I don't know if it works for browsers. I'm not really sure about that. I don't know why it doesn't work for browsers. But yeah, let's go ahead and click on monitor capture. So you can't do it with monitors, I'm pretty sure, like on Windows and stuff. You can try, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. However, if I go ahead and open something like Minecraft, then as you can see, let's go ahead and remove this scene down there. And as you can see, I have 2 scenes. Those are Minecraft and YouTube is Life, and whenever I click on them, the screen goes black. That is because of the fact that they are not open. So, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it useful. This was because a comment, let me go ahead and see who it was from. Let's go up here. There was a comment. This comment, he said, OT on target, go ahead and check his channel out. It's a great vid, by the way. Do you record with ONs? I just thought maybe I should just show everyone what I record with. So yeah, go ahead and check on his channel. Let's go ahead and show you this channel. Yeah, he's got 130 subscribers and stuff. He's got a few videos and stuff. So I highly suggest you go and check his video out. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave this video here. I hope you found it useful. If you did, go ahead and slap that like button. And also, if this is the first video you've seen by me and want more content like this, go ahead and slap that subscribe button as well. Also, tell me if you found this tutorial useful, and if not, go ahead and give me a big fat thumbs down and tell me what I am doing wrong, so that way I can improve on it next time. But anyways, guys, this has been a tutorial with Champion Gaming, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!